Hello students, welcome back to Grammar Learning. Today I will start a new chapter, the present tense. In the very beginning of this year only, I explained you all the tenses. Now we will learn the tenses in detail one by one. Okay, as I told you that time is divided into three parts: present, past and future. Okay, and there are different subparts of this tenses. Okay, each tense has four subparts. We will learn four parts of present tense today in this lecture. Be careful and attentive during this lecture. It is important. This is the time when you learn this chapter in detail, and it is important too for next classes also. Okay, let's begin with present tense. Students, present tense has four parts: simple present tense, present continuous tense. See on your screen, you can see simple present tense. The first sub part is simple present tense. I have written all the verb forms of tenses. The next one is present continuous tense. Then third one is present perfect tense, and the fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now let's begin each and every sub part in detail. Try to understand each and every sub part in detail. Start with your textbook. On your screen you can see simple present tense. The first sub part of present tense is simple present tense. Now the verb form is written positive, negative and interrogative. Okay, first of all, when do we use simple present tense? When do we use simple present tense? To express custom or habit. To express custom or habit. It means, habit means आदत, custom means रिवाज. ओके, जो चला आ रहा है. टू एक्सप्रेस कस्टम और हैबिट. सी एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन. आई प्ले बैडमिंटन एवरी इवनिंग, सो इट इज़ हैबिट. डज शी टेक लेसन्स इन इंग्लिश? ओके, कस्टम. ओके, सो टू एक्सप्रेस कस्टम और हैबिट, simple present tense is used. Then next one is to express what is actually happening at the present moment. At this moment, what is happening? It is also described in present tense, simple present tense. To express general truths or facts. Okay, general truth या fact है. General truth means man is mortal. Mortal means नाशवंत, जिसका नाश हो जाता है. ओके, इमॉर्टल नहीं है, मॉर्टल है मैन. द अर्थ मूव्स राउंड द सन. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो द जनरल ट्रूथ. देन मैथमेटिकल facts also are described in present tense. Okay, then abilities also are described in present tense, simple present tense. Okay, understood. Now what is the verb form of present tense? In present tense, with I, we, you, they, we put the main verb. Main verb means first form of the verb, yani V1. Okay, with I, we, you, they, with I, we, you, they, we put V1. Okay, with he, she, it, we put V plus S or ES. Main verb plus S or ES. Okay, then in negative, for I, we, you, they, we use do not. I, we, you, they, we use do not plus V1. Okay, and for he, she, it means third person singular, we use does not. Does not plus V1. Okay, does not plus V1 for he, she, it. and do not plus V1 for I, we, you, they. Okay, for interrogative also we take help of do for I, we, you, they, and does for he, she, it. Okay, do I play cricket? Do you come along me? Do you come along with me? Okay, do they sing? Okay, does he sing? Does she sing? Does it sing? Okay, like this you will form the interrogative sentences in simple present tense. Okay, I hope you understood simple present tense. Now exercise 1 is given. Here some notes are given which Raman has copied about Rameshwaram. Okay, it is not important as exam point of view, but you can write this in rough notebook for your practice, present tense practice. Okay, you have to write the note, complete the sentences in your rough notebook by using simple present tense. Okay, you can begin in this way. Here it is given. Okay, you will not write this exercise 1 in any notebook or textbook. In rough notebook you will practice. Then exercise 2. Rewrite the passage using the simple present tense. Now in bracket verbs are given. Verbs are given in bracket. Okay. You will use the verbs according to the subject. If the subject is singular, it means he, she, it, then you will use s or es form of the verb. And if the subject is I, we, you, they, you will use the main form of the verb. Okay, let's start with exercise 2. At the New Delhi railway station, the Kalam family, then here the Kalam family singular is given, so we use s here. Okay, as used when attracts the attention of a large number of curious onlookers and the media. Full stop. Dr. Kalam, then here only singular subject is given, so we add s here, remains. Okay, we add remains here. Then remains untouched by the excitement of the masses. The day of the ceremony. Now the day of the ceremony is also singular, so we add s here. Starts off like any other day with the regular 5-kilometer walk at the aside village. Okay, then he is given, so we use s or es form of the verb. He takes a shower and dash a light South Indian breakfast. We are talking about Dr. Kalam, so here s form will be come for each verb. Okay, a shower and eats a light South Indian breakfast consisting of idli sambar and buttermilk. He dresses es, dresses immaculately in a suit and steps out to acknowledge the greetings of the crowd. There are hordes of cameramen. Hordes matlab group of cameramen, collective noun hai, cameraman and TV crew. Okay, so hordes, more than one horde is there, so s is given, so we use r. Is mr will be used as to be form. Who focus on him. Okay, plural is there, so we use the main form of the verb. On him as he drives to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, understood exercise 2. The simple funda is that with he, she, it, you will use s or es form of the verb, and with I, we, you, they, you will use main form of the verb. Okay, then exercise 3. You have to write 5 sentences about the things you like and 5 sentences about the things you do not like. Okay, here you will write about things you like. ओके, यहाँ पर आप लोगों को अपनी जो पसंद आती है वैसी 5 चीज़ लिखनी है. एंड हियर यू हैव टू राइट द थिंग्स यू डिसलाइक. ओके, So this is homework in textbook only. Okay. Now next tense is present continuous tense. First of all, try to understand the usage of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means the things which are happening now. Okay, ऐसी चीज़ें जो अभी हो रही है. To show that the action is still continuing, अभी भी वो action continue है, that is shown by present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is the second subpart of present tense. Okay, and it shows the action is still continuing and the action is incomplete and continuous. Okay, then your temporary habit is also shown by present continuous tense. Okay, then sometimes in future tense also, if the work is decided, we use present continuous tense. Here it is not given, but I am explaining you in detail. Okay, for 9th standard also it will be helpful to you. For future tense also, present continuous tense is used. How? See, I am giving you one example. When are you coming today? When are you coming today? Okay, आज तुम कब आ रहे हो? It means it is future, but it is sure to happen. Okay, so it will be in future present continuous tense. In spite of being future tense also, it is given in present continuous tense. My nephew is arriving this evening. मेरा नेव्यू आज शाम को आ रहा है. इज अराइविंग. ओके, विल अराइव दिस इवनिंग ऐसा नहीं दिया है, इज अराइविंग. ओके, सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द यूजेज ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. सो टू डिनोट द फ्यूचर ऑल्सो वी यूज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. For repeated happening or coincidence also we use present continuous tense. For example, रीना is always losing her pen. रीना का हमेशा अपनी पेन खो देती है. ओके, सो दिस इज रिपीटेड हैपनिंग है, हमेशा होता रहता है ये. सो it will be in present continuous tense. But right now you will remember the action which is still continuing is denoted by present continuous tense. Now see the exercise 4. Circle the correct words in the boxes to complete the sentences. In the boxes some words are given. Okay, you have to choose the correct word. It dash right now. Now दिया है. Okay, अभी ये हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? Is raining. It is raining. Okay, it is raining right now, but the sky is turning. But the sky is turning dark. ओके, अभी बारिश हो रही है लेकिन स्काई है डार्क हो रहा है, स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग. एंड अ कूल ब्रीज इज ब्लोइंग. ब्रीज है, कूल ब्रीज है, इट इज सिंगुलर, इज ब्लोइंग. ओके, ऑल आर कैरिंग अम्ब्रेलाज. ऑल है वो प्लूरल है. ओके, ऑल आर कैरिंग अम्ब्रेलाज एज द रेन इज इंक्रीजिंग. रेन इज सिंगुलर. ओके, तो ईज एम आर ईज और एम है वो सिंगुलर के लिए है. आई के साथ एम, ही शी इट वी यूज ईज. ओके, सो द रेन इज इंक्रीजिंग एवरी मिनट. अंडरस्टूड? एक्सरसाइज 4. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 5. Complete the sentences given below with present continuous form. Present continuous form means is am are plus verb plus ing. You will put is am are according to the subject. Okay, with he she it you will put is, with I you will put am, and with you we they you will put are. Okay, and verb plus ing. So here the first sentence is given. It is raining heavily now. It dash heavily now. In bracket rain word is given. Verb is given rain. Okay, it is given. So after it we use is. Is goes with it. Okay, so it is raining heavily now. Be careful in writing the spellings while adding ing to the verb. Okay, now second one. Normally people speak in English in the parliament, but the new MP dash in Tamil. Okay, the new MP singular person is there. Okay, so is used. Then ing form of speak is speaking. Simply add ing to speak and it will become speaking. The new MP is speaking in Tamil. Third one, he is taking a long time to finish his breakfast. He के साथ is, then ing. While adding ing to the word which ends with e, drop e to add ing. Okay, जो verb के last में e है and we have to add ing, then you have to drop e को निकाल दो and then add ing. Okay, then fourth one, the principal dash the annual result announce. The principal singular is given. Okay, so is announcing, we drop e and add ing. The annual result, and the students are cheering, same spelling and add ing, CHEER the prize winners. Fifth one is the dog is chasing. The dog is chasing the cat. Here also we put e, dropped e. Okay, e को हटा दिया है and add ing. The cat who is mewing loudly in fright. Okay, so cat is also singular, so is used. Now the third one is, third subpart is present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense. Now first of all, try to understand the usages present perfect tense. The first use is, we use the present perfect tense to talk about completed action. Okay, जो action हो गई है. Okay, the action which is completed is denoted by present perfect tense. Okay, and always try to remember that has or have प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस V3 यूज होगा. ओके, हैज़ और हैव प्लस V3. हियर ऑल्सो ही हैज़ संग, सिंग का थर्ड फॉर्म संग. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ विन? वन. ओके, आई हैव वन. ओके, so with has or have you will add the third form of the verb and it will become present perfect tense. Then we use since or for to refer an action that began in the past and still going on at the point of speaking. Okay, since और for है कोई भी एक्शन के लिए जो पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुई थी और अभी भी चल रही है, तब भी हम लोग प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करेंगे. Okay, then the sentences which have already just yet, we use present perfect tense to show the completed actions. Okay, जो कंप्लीट हो गई है एक्शंस उसके लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज़ होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल ऑलरेडी, जस्ट. ओके, वी यूज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. We use never or ever with the present perfect tense to a time frame that begin in past and continues in the present. यानी कि पास्ट में शुरू हुई है और प्रेजेंट में कंटिन्यू है, ऐसी चीज़ों के लिए भी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ होता है. ओके, see the examples. I have never gone to aquarium. ओके, पास्ट में भी नहीं गया और अभी भी नहीं गया. ओके, तो नेवर यूज हुआ है, सो यर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस विल बी यूज्ड. हैव यू एवर बीन टू अ डांस परफॉर्म? यर एवर इज यूज्ड. ओके, अभी तक कभी भी तुमने डांस परफॉर्मेंस किया है, सो पास्ट में भी नहीं है और अभी भी वो एक्शन पूछ रहे हैं. ओके, सो इट विल बी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 6. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग ऑलरेडी, yet, just along with verbs given in the bracket. ब्रैकेट में जो वर्ड्स यूज़ हुए हैं उनका यूज़ करके एक्सरसाइज 6 आपको कंप्लीट करनी है. वेयर इज़ ही? सी द एग्जाम्पल इज़ गिवन. ही हैज़ जस्ट कम बैक फ्रॉम द मार्केट. नाउ द वर्ड्स नेवर, ऑलरेडी, जस्ट. नेवर एंड ऑलरेडी दे विल बी यूज्ड आफ्टर हैव और हैज़. ओके, हैज़ और हैव के बाद में वो आएगा. हैव यू विजिटेड बेंगलुरु? तो आई हैव नॉट विजिटेड यट. यट और जस्ट है वो वर्ब के बाद में आएगा. Okay, yet and just will be used after the verb. No, I have not visited yet. Here we have to make negative because it is given not here. Okay, then do you know this town? I have already lived in this town for more than 30 years. Okay, then we have already mailed. Here you have to use already. ऑलरेडी यूज़ करना है. ओके, तो ऑलरेडी विल यूज आफ्टर हैज़ और हैव. वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेल्ड आर दिवाली ग्रीटिंग्स टू आवर फ्रेंड्स इन इंडिया. द नेक्स्ट वन इज हाउ इज सानिया. आई हैव नॉट मेट हर. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ मीट इज मेट. स्टूडेंट्स सी हियर ऑल द V3 आर यूज्ड. ओके, so keep in mind all the V3. Go through the V3 list that you have in previous classes also. Okay, try to learn all the V3 of your textbook and notebook which you have. Okay, fifth one, I have not met her since we left the college a year ago. So exercise 6 is also completed. Now exercise 7, correct the following sentences. Here the sentences are given wrong and you have to make correction. Some words are given and you have to make correction. You have to add some words to complete the meaning. Okay, to make it meaningful. First sentence is given, I waited for a bus since 3 o'clock but haven't caught one. Okay, it means मैं बस की 3 बजे से राह देख रहा हूँ, वेट कर रहा हूँ, बट अभी तक मैंने एक भी बस पकड़ी नहीं. ओके, यानी कि पास्ट भी है और वो अभी तक चल रहा है. ओके, so here this will be used. I have been waiting for a bus since 3 o'clock but haven't caught one yet. Okay, यहाँ पर थोड़ा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ हो रहा है. ओके, जो अब नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. बट हियर आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर अ बस सिंस 3 o'clock आएगा क्योंकि अभी वो कंटिन्यू है. बट हैवेंट कॉट वन येट. Okay, then next one is, I forgot the exact time of the meeting. Let me ask my secretary. I have forgotten the exact time of the meeting. Let me ask my secretary. मैं भूल गया हूँ मीटिंग का एग्जैक्ट टाइम. Let me ask my secretary. Okay, then रमेश सिंगुलर है. Okay, तो हैज़ will be used. Ramesh has already seen this movie, so he knows the story. So he knows. Here also correction is there. He knows the story. Okay, Ramesh has already seen this movie. रमेश ने पहले ही ये मूवी देख ली है, इसलिए उसे स्टोरी पता है. He knows the story. Okay. फोर्थ वन, वी हैव नेवर वन अ प्राइज़ इन दिस कॉम्पिटिशन. हम लोगों ने कभी भी इस कॉम्पिटिशन में प्राइज़ नहीं जीता है. ओके, सो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. देन वी डिडंट गो टू म्यूजियम येट वी विल गो नेक्स्ट वीक. ईयर वी विल यूज़ येट आया है. ओके, ईयर येट इज़ यूज. सी स्टूडेंट्स, येट विल नॉट बी यूज इन पास्ट टेंस. पास्ट टेंस में कभी भी येट यूज़ नहीं होगा. ओके, सो यर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में ही यट यूज़ होता है. तो वी हैवेंट गॉन टू द म्यूजियम यट, कॉमा वी विल गो नेक्स्ट वीक. अंडरस्टूड. देन एक्सरसाइज 8, fill in the blanks with simple present or present continuous or present perfect form. It means whatever you have studied till now, 3 subparts of present tense, you have to apply the perfect, the right verbs using the brackets. Okay, the rain has stopped. रेन है, अब रुक चुकी है. पास्ट में शुरू हुई थी, अभी स्टॉप हो गई है, अभी कंटिन्यू है स्टॉप होना. एंड द सन इज शाइनिंग नाउ. ओके, रेन है वो रुक चुकी है और सन है वो शाइन कर रहा है नाउ. ओके, वी हैव ऑलरेडी आया. ओके, तो ऑलरेडी वर्ड इज यूज्ड इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, सो वी विल यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. तो वी हैव ऑलरेडी, हियर What is the third form of tell? Told. We have already told them that we accept donations from business magnates. Okay, we accept. Then third one, my sister is cooking the dinner and her son is playing. ओके, सिस्टर है वो कुक कर रही है डिनर और उनका बेटा है वो खेल रहा है. सो हियर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस विल बी यूज्ड. आई विल गो आउट ओनली, ओनली भी यूज़ करना है. ओके, हियर इन ब्रैकेट इट इज़ गिवन, ओनली भी दिया है. ओके, आई विल गो आउट ओनली व्हेन आई हैव फिनिश्ड माई वर्क. जब मैं मेरा वर्क कंप्लीट कर लूँगा तभी मैं बाहर जाऊँगा. ओके, जब मेरा वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाएगा तब मैं बाहर जाऊँगा. ओके, देन 5-1, वाई डैश द चाइल्ड डैश. वाई, देन टू बी फॉर्म. बी मीन्स टू बी फॉर्म. What is the to be form of present tense? Is, am, are. Is, am, are. Okay, so here we use is for child. So why is the child crying? Okay, then sixth one, it is not applicable to this exercise, so I have put cross mark. Seventh one, he has been working in this institution for 20 years. ओके, 20 ईयर्स से वो इस इंस्टीट्यूशन में काम कर रहा है. यहाँ पर हैज़ बिन वर्किंग भी हो सकता है एंड हैज़ वर्कड भी हो सकता है. ओके, 8 नंबर, आई हैव लेड द टेबल फॉर डिनर, कैन आई सर्व फूड नाउ. आई हैव लेड द टेबल फॉर डिनर. ओके, मैंने डिनर के लिए टेबल लगा दिया है. कैन आई सर्व फूड नाउ. 9th वन, वी हैव हैड. हियर you have to use the proper form of has. Okay, with we use have. And what is the third form of has? Has, have, had. The third form of has is had. So we have had a very enjoyable holiday in Kashmir. Okay, then 10th one, why are you hiding from me. आर दिया है. ओके, तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी ing फॉर्म. वाई आर यू हाइडिंग फ्रॉम मी. हैव यू डन, हैव दिया है, इट मीन्स इट विल बी third form of the verb. Have you done something wrong? Understood. Now the fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. It is used to indicate that the action has been going on continuously over a period of time starting in the past and continuing up to the present. यानी कि पास्ट में शुरू होके प्रेजेंट तक वो कंटिन्यू हुई थी और एक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम था उसे उसने कवर किया था. Okay, so present perfect continuous tense will be used for that. Here, what is the formula of present perfect continuous tense? Because it is present perfect, has or have will be used. Okay, has और have आएगा. Okay, फिर perfect भी है, ये been आएगा. Okay, और continuous भी है तो ing आएगा ना. So this is the easy way to learn this thing. Okay, has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay, exercise 9 is India's population has been increasing steadily. Okay, population singular है तो has been increasing steadily. He के साथ has been practicing for the match since last week. You have been disturbing this class for the last 1 hour. Please stop it once again. Okay, you at once. You के साथ have. The old man है singular है, third person है तो has आएगा. been और ing तो सब में common है ही. The old man has been standing patiently in the sun for a bus to arrive. The child singular is given, so has. Okay, the child has been crying for his mother but she has disappeared. And sixth one I के साथ have आएगा. Have been watching the parliament debate on the no confidence vote with great interest. Okay, that's all for exercise 9. Now exercise 10, you have to use present perfect tense to write the situation. You can make necessary changes. For example, first sentence is given, you are watching a cricket match you have never seen before. Okay, cricket match देख रहे जो तुमने पहले कभी नहीं देखी. तो what is the answer? This is the first time I have seen a cricket match. So you can use some extra words to make the sentence meaningful. Okay, second one is you have lost your bank card. बैंक का कार्ड खो गया है. It has happened once before. पहले भी ये हो चुका है. It means आई हैव लॉस्ट माई बैंक कार्ड अगेन. फिर से मैंने मेरा बैंक कार्ड खो दिया. ओके, तो ऑब्वियसली पहले भी हो चुका है इसलिए आप अगेन यूज़ कर रहे हो. ओके. 3 number, you have missed the school bus. This is fourth time in 1 month. You can start the sentence like this. This is fourth time in 1 month that I have missed the school bus. Okay. 4 number, you are staying in a hotel for the first time in your life. I have stayed in a hotel for the first time in my life. So that's all for exercise 10. In exercise 11, you have to see the picture and you have to write all the 4 tenses forms in present tense. Present tense के जो भी 4 सब parts मैंने अभी explain किए. Okay, you have to use those verb forms of 4 sub parts according to the situation of these pictures. I have given you the hint and written the first sentence about simple present tense. What will be the order? First of all, simple present tense, then present continuous tense, then present perfect tense, and then present perfect continuous tense. In this way, you will write all the 4 forms of the sentences here in textbook. Okay, no need to write any exercise in notebook for this chapter. Okay, I have also uploaded the PDF for this chapter, so don't worry regarding the notes. Okay, try to understand the things. See, here also I have given you all the verb form. Simple present tense, what is the affirmative verb form, what is the negative, what is the interrogative. Okay, with I, we, you, they, with he, she, it, with in present continuous tense also. Okay, what is the verb form of present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. All the things I have given you in this lecture, and I will also upload the PDF of this chapter. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. We will meet in next lecture. Bye.